Indonesia's President-elect Prabowo Subianto has made a bold commitment regarding the ongoing conflict in Gaza. Speaking at the prestigious Shangri-La Dialogue Asia's premier security conference, Prabowo stated that Indonesia is willing to send peacekeeping troops to enforce a ceasefire in Gaza if required. The 72-year-old former Special Forces General and current Indonesian Defense Minister emphasized Indonesia's readiness to support US President Joe Biden's three-phase proposal for a ceasefire in Gaza. When needed and when requested by the UN, we are prepared to contribute significant peacekeeping forces to maintain and monitor this prospective ceasefire, as well as providing protection and security to all parties and to all sides. This announcement comes ahead of Prabowo assuming the presidency of the world's most populous Muslim nation in October. The decision underscores Indonesia's commitment to those affecting the Muslim community. President Joko Widodo, popularly known as Jokowi, has also shown strong support for this initiative. Prabowo revealed that Jokowi had instructed him to announce Indonesia's preparedness to evacuate, receive, and provide medical care for up to 1,000 patients from Gaza. The Indonesia hospital in Gaza, previously operated by an Indonesian NGO, had to close in November amid the intense fighting. Prabowo also called for a comprehensive investigation into the humanitarian disaster in the Rafah area of Gaza. He stressed the need for a just solution to the solution in the occupied Palestinian territories, highlighting the importance of recognizing both Israel's right to exist and the Palestinian people's right to have their own homeland and state living in peace. In a separate statement, the outgoing President Jokowi condemned Israel's attack on Rafah. He urged Israel to comply with the International Court of Justice ruling. As Prabowo Subianto prepares to take on the presidency, his stance on international issue and his readiness to engage in peacekeeping missions reflect Indonesia's broader commitment to contributing to peace and humanitarian efforts.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.